Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Midjourney to Discord server. So I do use the web version of Discord, but if you are using the app, just follow along as these steps are pretty much same. So to invite the Midjourney box, what you want to do is first open up an internet browser and you want to come across to a website which is called discord.gg/Midjourney, and then simply tap on enter and you will see what's going to happen. It's going to launch the Discord app. Now if you haven't got the Discord app, make sure you download that before you go ahead and do this, as it is just install it via Discord app. So once that's done, just go ahead and click the blue continue to Discord button, and then what you are going to do is open up the Discord app. And when you actually open up the app, you are going to get a pop-up like this saying you have been invited to join Midjourney. So what you want to do is click the blue join Midjourney button. Once that's done, you might get a pop-up for Windows Phone or something, so just click on to allow access. So once that's done, what that's do is add you into the Midjourney server. And from here, what you are going to do is come to the right hand side in the member section, and if you look under my Midjourney bot, you will see the Midjourney bot there. So what you are going to do next is actually click on to the bot, and then all you want to do is simply click on the blue add to server button. Here just simply go ahead and choose from the drop down box the server you want to add this, click continue, and then just scroll down and click the authorize button. You will now see, if you look on the right hand side in the member list, that we now have the bot, the Midjourney bot here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.